Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you have ever been an accident or know someone who has, you know the aftermath can be overwhelming. Between dealing with injuries, medical bills, and insurance companies, things can get pretty stressful. But what if I told you that one of the most important things you can do after an accident is hire the right lawyer? That's what we are talking about today. How to find a good person injury lawyer in New York. Stick with me, and because by the end of this video you will know exactly what to look for, and I will share some key tips that can make all the difference. What is personal injury lawyer and who? So personal injury lawyer are the one of the your turn to when you have been hurt because of someone else's negligence, whether it is a car accident, slip and fall, medical malpractice, or any other thing of injury. But finding the right lawyer isn't always easy. With so many options, how do you know you are making the right choice? Today, I am going to show you exactly how to find a good personal injury lawyer in New York, step by step. Plus, I'll share some tips and even a story that might just help you make a better decision when the time comes. First, know what you need. Before we dive into finding the right lawyer, you need to know what you're looking for. It is not just about any lawyer, it's about a lawyer who specializes in personal injury case and knows the ins and outs of New York law. Here's what you need to keep in mind. First, the lawyer should specialize in personal injury law. They need to understand the nuances of this field and have a track record of success in these types of cases. Second, look for someone with experience handling cases similar to yours. For example, if you were in a car accident, find a lawyer who has a proven history of winning car accident cases. Have you ever had a lawyer who didn't quite understand your case? Drop a comment and let me know how that went for you. Second, start your search. Where to look. Now, let's talk about where to start your search. You should just Google best personal injury lawyer in New York, but that doesn't always give you the full picture. Instead, start by asking for recommendations from friends or family who have been through a similar experience. Word of mouth can be incredibly valuable. Next, look online. Check lawyer directories like ABVO or Matindale Hubble, which provide ratings and review. This can give you an idea of a lawyer's reputation and success rate. But don't just go by ratings. You want to make sure you are comfortable with them and that they communicate well. Have you ever made a choice based on online review? Was it helpful? Let me know in the comments below. And third, initial consultation. What to expect. Once you have found a few lawyers that seem like a good fit, it's time for the first step, the consultation. Most personal injury lawyers offer free consultations, so take advantage of this. During this consultation, the lawyer will ask you about your case, what happened, your injuries, and any other important details. This is your chance to ask questions too. Here are a few questions to ask during your consultations. How many years have you been practicing personal injury law? Have you handled case similar to mine? What is your success rate in personal injury case? How do you charge? Most personal injury lawyers work on a contingency fee basis, meaning they don't get paid unless you win. And don't forget to trust your gut. How do you feel about the lawyer? Are they easy to talk to? Do they explain things in a way that's clear to you? And fourth, case evaluation. What makes a strong case? Now, let's say you have found a lawyer you like and they are ready to take your case. So, what happens next? Well, they will evaluate the extent of your case. Here's the things. Personal injury case really heavily on evidence, medical records, witness statements, police reports, and sometimes expert testimony. The stronger your evidence, the stronger your case. The lawyer will likely gather all of this to make sure they can build a solid case. If you don't have enough evidence, they might advise you not to proceed. This is actually a good thing. It shows they are focused on getting you the best possible result rather than talking on a weak case just for the sake of it. If how much will it cost? Let's talk about the cost. Many people hesitate to hire a lawyer because they assume it's too expensive. But here's the thing, most personal injury lawyers work on contingency fee basis. This means they only get paid if you win your case, usually taking a percentage of the settlement or award. That means no upfront cost or hourly fees. This can take the financial pressure off you, especially when you are dealing with medical bills and time of. Have you been worried about lawyer fees? I do love to hear your thoughts on this in these comments. 6. A story, a personal injury success story. Let me share a quick story with you. A few years ago, a friend of mine, Sarah, was in a serious car accident in New York. She didn't know where to start. She was overwhelmed with her injuries and unsure about how to deal with insurance companies. After doing some research and consulting with a few lawyers, she found one with experience in car accident cases. This lawyer helped her every step of the way, from gathering medical records to negotiating with the insurance company. Ultimately, Sarah got a fair settlement that covered her medical bills and pain and suffering, and she didn't pay a cent upfront. Sarah's case is a great example of how finding the right lawyer can make a huge difference in the outcome of your case. Now, conclusion, what you have learned. Alright, so what did we learn today? First, understand what kind of lawyer you need. Someone who specializes in personal injury and has experience with your type of case. Second, look for recommendations. Check online reviews and do your research. Third, take advantage of the consultation and ask the right questions. Fourth, make sure your lawyer is willing to fight for you and has the evidence to back it up. And fifth, and don't worry about upfront fees. Most personal injury lawyers work on a contingency basis. Finding the right personal injury lawyer can feel overwhelming, but it's one of the most important decisions you will make after an accident. If you follow these steps, you will be in a much better position to get the compensation you deserve. So, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss an update. Have any personal experiences or questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'll love to hear from you.